Hi all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I know I haven't been on here in a while. Been about 4.5 to 5 months. Just been dealing with life, family things, myself, my health, my mental health, dealing with depression. But I'm seeing a therapist now, so I'm getting some help on that and feeling a lot better. But if you don't know who I am, my name is Valerie. I am an artist, and I do have this channel is Creations by Valerie, where I show you my creations of my artwork and jewelry. And I have a Etsy shop where I sell some of my artwork and jewelry as well. I do pop-up shops and craft fairs occasionally. So if you feel like something that you would like to watch, please continue to view in and hit the like button and please consider subscribing. But I have some things that I purchased from Amazon. Have been sitting on my coffee table for the last like 5 months, and a few things I have opened up because I didn't need it, because I do also have a clothing line called wearboutique, and I have a channel for that. I'll list it in the description box below. But I'm going to go ahead and open up these items, so let's get started. Let me go grab my list really quick. All right, I wrote everything down because it's been a minute. I have 8 different items, so let me just go ahead and just start grabbing stuff, and we'll see what is what. So this box bags here have been opened. And this one has some printing labels. When I get an order, I have to shipping labels, my bad. 2 labels per sheet, 8x5. So I did open them because I did get a couple orders from my online clothing store. So it's 8x5 labels. You can see it's 2 labels per sheet. So that's some shipping labels. And then I ordered some headbands. So in my clothing line, whenever somebody make a purchase, I give them a free headband. So that's why I got that. But even when my the pop-up shop, get a free headband with each purchase. So this is different, like boho bohemian style headbands. Ordered this on Amazon as well, as you can see. Pretty colors, nice designs. Another big box. What's in here? This should be, let's see, the flexible holding arm tripod. It's actually, when you put it on the tripod, it's like a folding arm. So when you do like your flat lays, you can get a better angle. So let me see. I haven't opened it up yet. Okay, a box in a box. Okay, let's see. So let's open up this one. Box in the box. So it's supposed to be a tripod arm. A little nervous. I haven't did a video in a while, so just bear with me. Oh, cool. So the tripod arm. Nice. You can connect it to the tripod. The little twist part here, and you just put your. Oh, this part goes around the tripod, and then you can attach this to, I think, like your camera or your phone or something. So cool. You can do the flat lays, your videos and stuff. It's pretty nice. Make sure I'll check that out. It really helped me make my videos better for my clothing, plus it's my artwork and stuff. So that's for the flexible holding arm for the tripod. That's the 3rd item. Okay, let's go to another bag. What's in here? I can't even remember. What did that feel like? Let's check this out too. Okay. I'm excited because a lot of things were sitting here, like I said, like 4 to 5 months. And I forgot a lot of them, so I had to do research earlier and look at my Amazon purchases to see what was actually in those bags. Oh, cool. Oh, yeah. This is the, oh my God, what's this? Accessory GoPro kit. It's so cool. They have all the different attachments, so when you want to, for like the lights for your head, for the chest vest when you want like running and doing videos and stuff. Oh, that is so cool. So it had the backpack mount, head strap, chest mount, and different accessories. That is so cool. All right. Use that because I would actually like to complete a 5K before the year is up. So we'll see. See all the different things. But it's so cool. Yeah. Forgot all about this one. The GoPro kit. Definitely be using that. Now run on. Okay. All right, that's number 4. Number 5, I did open this one. This is like little small clear bags for my jewelry, for my earrings. It's when I package up my earrings for my craft fair or sell online, and also I do occasionally take my earrings to work and sell them at work as well. So it's like a the size is 2x3 self-sealing bags. Really small. You know, I'm kind of at an angle this time so you can see everything. See the little small bags. Really small, 2x3. Just the right size I need for my jewelry. I should have showed you a pair, but I'll do it on another video. All right, that's number, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 3 more to go, I believe, or maybe a little bit more. Let's see. I'll save that big bag for later. Let me do this one here. Okay. That box has been sitting here for a minute. Let's see what this one is. It may be the smartphone I bought. So that helped me with keeping track of when I doing my running and everything. Let's see what we got here. Alright. Yes, smartwatch. I said smartphone, I'm just say smartwatch. That's cool. Smartwatch. Dual mode, reminder, caloric, heart rate monitor. You can monitor your calories, sleep monitor, and more exercise mode. That's pretty cool. I'm not going to see. I might open it all the way up, huh? See what it looks like. The video is going to be a little long, but I'm not going to keep you too long. It's for the smartwatch. Okay, let's see. Push it out. Let's see. Slow down, Valerie. Okay. Let's see. Push it out. I'm coming. There you go. Alrighty. Smartwatch. See, I'm not going to take it out, but this is what it looks like. I'll be put it together. And now, that's a smartwatch. And this is where this one comes into play. Because I believe I had something else in here. It's been a while. Can't even remember what else I had in here. But open up this one. This is actually goes with a smartwatch. I can use it with a smartwatch. I bought interchangeable, different color watch bands, so I can change out the colors for my smartwatches. I have a whole bunch of different colors. That is so cool. I saw somebody at my job did that, because she could be changing her color of her smartwatches of the bands like every day. So that is so cool. Whatever mood I'm in, or just for the coordinate with my outfit. So I thought it was so cool. So that's a good find right there. I've lost count, but I think I have 2 more items left. This is the last item, the big box. I think this may be the grand finale. I think there's 2 items in here. I'm not going to say what these are until I open it. Dun 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 dun! Drum roll. I'm a little rusty at videotaping in a minute, but alright. This is one of the major things right here. When you read it, let me see, make sure I got reading it right. Dun 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 dun. 4K digital camera. Yay! So I've stopped videotaping everything on my phone. So this is a 4K digital camera. So it's for photos and blogging and all that stuff. So we can open it up. Wow, professional looking. All right, nice and cushiony. Oh my God, I never had nothing like that. That is so cool. All right, should have like the adapter and all that good stuff in here. Let's see. All the accessories. So they have the lens, the memory cords. Let's see. I'm at a little weird angle. Oh, this is the memory cords. And these are, the batteries. I don't know stuff about that. Oh, the cord. The adapter. SUB cable. And then it has like the little, just a little strap on it. You can attach it to it. All right, cool. That is so cool. All right, my very first camera. Wow, I'm really making use of that. I'll be vlogging and stuff like that. Just go ahead and take it out really gently. So Really show you how to take it out. All right. Wow, that is so cool. Okay. Oh, wow, okay. We definitely get into looking into that. Last but not least, this is my 8th item. Cat is out the bag. So we're going to be starting a career training, midlife career training for pharmacy technician. So August I'm supposed to be starting my pharmacy tech class, but we'll get into this on another video. This is kind of like a what you call like a cheat, not a cheat sheet, but we call it like a quick study guide. The pharmacy technician gives you all the things about the different codes and medicines, how to count things and remember everything. So I'll be going over that with you at another video, and I'll be keeping track of me, you know, my class and all that stuff. So that concludes my video. It's basically personal items and items for my business, for my Creations by Valerie and bohemian-wear.com clothing line. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So I'm doing my best to upload videos once a week, every Thursday from here on out. I just did a special one today. This is Saturday, May 18, 2024. So I'll see you next Thursday. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you next time. Bye.